Hi everyone, thanks for coming. This is the second video that we're doing as far as our product line that we carry. This is the Fulvic electrolyte. It is a tremendous product. What it really does is it's a soil remediation product. It reduces your compaction. One thing you'll see when farmers are about the business of farming over the years, they have a trouble with compaction. Therefore, they have a greater amount of runoff. The porosity in the soil is not as great as they'd like it to be. Porosity is important because with porosity, there's more water retention in the soil, not as much runoff on the soil. So how do you work against compaction? Well, that's where this product comes in. Again, it will reduce that, improves your water usage. You have better drainage from your fields. It also causes, one of the greatest things that it causes is a retention, because you have more porosity in your soil, a greater retention of water in your soil. Along with your humic and fulvic acids that are within our product line, that there is more water at the cellular level in the plant so they can handle droughts much easier. Real important here. Florida, we just went through it, and of course up in North Carolina and South Carolina right now, they're having a big challenge with that. It also composts readily, so it causes things to break down organically. When you're looking at this, we have liquid minerals still held in colloidal suspension with this. It helps activate that portion of your soil. The next two products that are coming behind this that we'll talk about, 25% of those two products are this. So when we're looking at these here, this particular product stimulates a microbial activity in your soil, which is very important. Everybody's driving it trying to get microbial health. This is a stimulator for that. The price on this is interesting. It comes in 2.5 gallons, similar to the next products that I'll be talking about and the previous product. 2.5 gallon jugs per case. It's $1,200 per case. When you're using it as a supplement, which is what this is designed to be, as a supplement to the other Part A and Part B that's coming next, it's only $7.50 per acre. Okay. Again, it needs to go down with 10 gallons of water, so you can put this in with the dry or put it in with A and B and use the same 10 gallons of water. This product has a very special purpose also. When you're doing a burn down, this product can be used more aggressively to do that naturally instead of coming down with a glyphosate product. So when you're using it as a burn down, instead of the 4 ounces that you would do to supplement Part A and Part B that already has 25% of it of this in that product, those two products, this here you can go from 4 ounces per acre to 32 ounces per acre, and it will accomplish exactly what you were going to do with glyphosate or the like. Nice thing is that's a natural way to do a burn down, and then you also, when you're doing the burn down, it's not only accomplishing that, but it's also adding 8 other macro and micro minerals into your soil. Again, reconditioning your soil same time that you're doing your burn downs for the next season. So this is your Fulvic electrolyte. Wonderful product. So it's $7.50 as a supplement if you run into a bentonite problem in your field that's having problem just to get the clay to break up and the like. That's where this product would come in real handy. OMRI certified as well, kosher certified, USDA certified. So wonderful product. It also meets the California Prop 65, so you can use this in that environment as well too. So this can be used as a supplement to the next two products, or it can do it as a standalone, or it can be used as a burn down. So anyways, that's this product. Thank you. And again, we're here. Any questions that you have, we're here to answer those in depth. Telephone number here at the office is 719-465-6234. Again, my name is Tom Golden. I'm one of the managing members. Our other managing members are up in the Carolinas and then up in Virginia, and they can also answer any questions that you have. Thanks so much, and we'll see you with Part A and Part B. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.